Hello again, and here we are again looking at a lovely Volvo C70 SE Lux D3 convertible, finished in a stunning metallic black. One lady owner car, beautiful condition. It's got the black leather interior as well. All nice and clean inside. Nice condition alloys with the Pirelli tyres all round. It's a good sign the car's been looked after. It's got full service history with it. Super low mileage. Parking sensors. I'll show you that again in a minute when we put the roof up. Look at that lovely bodywork, all nice, clean car, no damage. Yeah, front and rear parking sensors. Lovely. Let's just take a look inside. So we've got controls there for electric windows, electric door mirrors. Also drop all the 4 windows in one go and you've got the roof down. Central locking. Electric memory seats. Front and back. Seat control on the top there as well. Automatic lighting. Cruise control. Comes with 2 remote keys. $37,000 miles with the full service history with that. Front and rear park assist comes up on the display. It's also got heated seats from these buttons here. Automatic transmission. These are buttons here to control the roof. Storage. Got auxiliary input and a USB input socket in there as well. Radio CD, climate control, air conditioning. So yeah, very well equipped car. Let's just try the roof. So I think you have to have your foot on the brake and we'll press this button here. And you should see the action of the roof. There you go. And the windows go up as well, and there the little message tells you that's all been accomplished. So let's just take another look outside the car now. As you can see, that's turns into a lovely stylish coupe. So keep you nice and snug in the winter. Very, very nice flowing lines to that. Beautiful design. And then boot space. If you don't want the roof in action, you can move that up to there, and that gives you Quite a decent sized boot area actually for this type of car. Obviously if you do use the roof regularly, then that has to remain in the lower position for everything to work properly. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice low mileage C70, super stylish convertible with the service history, automatic transmission, what a lovely car for you. Feel free to give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.